Salve, my Catholic is awesome friend. Until 2025, there are 77 countries that become majority Catholic out of more than 200 countries in the world. On the other hand, did you know that in this world there are countries that were once a Catholic minority but have now turned into a Catholic majority even in such a fast time? That's what happened in these countries. Thanks to the work of the Holy Spirit, the Catholic Church is experiencing rapid growth and many residents are called to give themselves baptized. My Catholic is awesome friend, here are 6 countries that become Catholic quickly in the 21st century and have even become the majority, or more than 50% of the population is Catholic. 6. Federated States of Micronesia. Hearing the name of this country may still be unfamiliar to most of my Catholic is awesome friend, right? Yes, the Federated States of Micronesia. It is a small island nation in the Pacific Ocean, not far from Indonesia, northeast of Papua. At first, the country's Catholic population was only 48% of the population in 1990. However, the latest data from G-Catholic shows that the Catholic population in the Federated States of Micronesia has become the majority, reaching 51% of the country's 118,000 inhabitants. The high birth rate of the people also coupled with the adult baptism of the population converting to Catholicism makes Catholicism now the majority in the Federated States of Micronesia. 5. Congo. Congo or Congo is also one of the countries that is rapidly becoming majority Catholic. The country, which has its capital in Brazzaville, south of the Central African Republic, has seen a rapid growth of Catholics. In 1990, only 37% of the Congolese population was Catholic and a minority. By 2021, 53% of Congo's 3 million people were already Catholic. Catholicism is now the majority in the country. Previously, the majority of the Congolese population was Protestant Christian. The high birth rate of believers coupled with the large number of Congolese converting to Catholicism means that Catholicism is now the majority. 4. Democratic Republic of Congo. This is a different country from the Congo. The Democratic Republic of Congo is a country that borders Congo for the east. This country used to be called Zaire. The country, whose capital is Kinshasa, has seen rapid Catholic growth in a short period of time. In 2014, only 30% of the population of Republic Democratic of Congo were Catholic and a minority. But in 2021, 50% of the population of Republic Democratic of Congo will be Catholic according to data from G-Catholic. Even other data sources, such as the US State Department, the Catholic population of Republic Democratic of Congo's Catholic population has reached 55%. The high birth rate of Catholics is one of the factors that Republic Democratic of Congo is now a majority Catholic country. In fact, the country's Catholic population is predicted to soon surpass Italy's Catholic population, making the DR Congo the 5th largest Catholic country in the world after Brazil, Mexico, the Philippines, and the US, with almost 54 million people Catholics. By 2022, there will be nearly 300,000 residents of Republic Democratic Congo who participated in adult baptism converted to Catholicism. The country was previously predominantly Protestant. 3. Palau. Hearing the name of the country, Palau is certainly still foreign to the ears of my Catholic is awesome friend. Palau is a small archipelago located north of Papua, Indonesia, adjacent to the Federated States of Micronesia. Initially, the Catholic population in this country only reached 38% in 2015 and has not yet become a majority. But by 2021, Palau had become majority Catholic in just 6 years with 60% of its 20,000 population already Catholic. In 2022, the number of adult baptism converting to Catholicism is higher than infant baptisms in Palau. 2. Lesotho. Hearing the name of this country must still be unfamiliar to most families. Yes, Lesotho. This is a country in Africa that is reduced by the mainland of South Africa. In 1990, only 38% of Lesotho's population was Catholic. In 2021, it has almost doubled to 63% of the population, an increase of 25%, and become majority Catholic. Lesotho's Catholic population is nearly 1.5 million out of more than 2.3 million people. 1. Timor-Leste or East Timor. Timor-Leste, who would have doubted to be country that became majority Catholic the fastest. In 1930, there were only 4% Catholics in Timor-Leste. Thanks to the missionary work of the Catholic Church, which contributed greatly to Timor-Leste's mission and education, many residents began to be called to become Catholic until they had become 20 until 30% of the population. At the time, the majority of Timor-Leste's population adhere to animism or local beliefs. After Timor-Leste became part of the Indonesian province in 1976, an Indonesian law made it compulsory to choose religion. Many Timorese were converted to Catholicism and baptized. Timor-Leste then became majority Catholic, with the Catholic percentage jumping to 85% of the population. After Timor-Leste independence from Indonesia in 2002, Catholicism continued to grow rapidly and has now reached 96% of the population, an increase of 76% in less than 50 years. All because of the work of the Holy Spirit. Timor-Leste is now one of the countries with the highest percentage of Catholics in the world, alongside the Vatican and Poland. My Catholic is awesome, friend. Those are 6 countries that became Catholic in a short time and even became the majority in the 21st century. That's amazing. There are still some countries that are experiencing rapid growth of Catholics, such as South Korea and Northern Ireland, but have not become a majority because above 50% of the population, like the 6 countries above. May the Catholic faith around the world continue to grow and be a blessing to many countries. My Catholicism is awesome. Salve!